Adam, tell us your thoughts on the song that you chose for Matt.
Man, well, I'm not even sure that Matt knows this, but I was watching, this is not a plug, I literally just a fan of this show, but I was watching one of the last episodes of Sons of Anarchy, and this song came on. I was like, oh, I got to pick a song for Matt next week, and then this show comes on, and this tune, Make It Rain, comes on, and I was like, what is this song? Oh my God. So I freaked out, and I called Matt, and I said, you're doing this song, and here we are. This is one of the greatest vocals I think that Matt McAndrew has ever done, and I cannot wait for all of you to freak out like I did when I heard him do it.
It's an Ed Sheeran song, but singing it right now, Make It Rain. Please welcome Matt McAndrew.
The sins of my father way down in my soul, and the pain of my mother will not let me go. Well, I know there can come fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. And even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, make it rain. Let the clouds fill with thunderous applause, and let lightning be the vein. Fill the sky with all that they can draw when it's time to make a change. Make it rain down, Lord. Make it rain. Make it rain. Make it rain. Make it rain down, Lord. Make it rain. Oh, Lord, and make it rain. Make it rain. Make it rain. Make it rain. Make it rain.
That is Matt McAndrew, a little something for the SOA fans, the Ed Sheeran fans, and more importantly, Adam Levine fans. And Matt, great job. Family in the house tonight in the semifinals. Coaches on their feet. Let's talk to them, if we can. Blake.
Man, I'm always so blown away by, the pressure of where this competition is right now, and the fact that you guys that come out here under this much pressure. There's only going to be 3 of you next week, and you perform like you just did, dude. That was a Grammy-worthy performance out there, man.
Thank you so much, man.
Unbelievable. Great job, dude.
Pharrell, what'd you think?
You know, I always use that compound word, rock star, but tonight I just think there's not many rock stars that sing like that. So I'm just gonna take off the word rock, just star.
Thank you so much, dude. That's awesome.
Gwen.
You know what I love about you is that you're just a big contradiction. Like, you're this sweet guy with the glasses, with all the tattoos, and then you just sort of have this body language, this all sweet puppy dog, and then you sing with this unbelievable voice that is so, the tone in your voice is just, it gives me chills every time, and congratulations.
Thank you, Gwen.
Adam, you got to be feeling pretty good about your song selection tonight.
Man, you know, you astound me all the time. And I think it's because there's nobody more humble and there's nobody more kind of mellow and laid back than this guy. But, you know, you can do literally anything. I mean, this guy has done the Beach Boys. He just did this super bluesy soul kind of tune. I can't throw anything at this guy that he can't absolutely destroy. And I'm telling you right now, there isn't anybody in this competition that can do that other than Matt McAndrew. He's absolutely astounding.
Thank you,
Blow
dude.
me away. You blow me away. And honestly, like, I don't think that The Voice has ever had a guy that can do as much so effortlessly and so gracefully like you can. I really believe that.
Thank you, coaches. If you want Matt in the finals, you can call. Sprint users can text, or you can vote on Facebook, the official Voice app, NBC.com, or by downloading Matt's song on iTunes. Give it up for Matt McAndrew. Coming up, Chris Jamison debuts Adam's brand new song, and then the top 5 return to the stage for special hometown tributes. You're watching the semifinals. We're live. Don't move.